Parallel diamond blades slice stone blocks into slabs, while water cooling ensures smooth cuts and blade durability. A skilled craftsman carefully scrapes a rosewood table to expose its natural grain. The process brings out the wood's deep texture and character. Each stroke contributes to a refined, polished finish that elevates the piece into functional art. A precision roller fits mosquito mesh into aluminum guide channels with even tension. Locking pins secure the frame, which mounts onto a frameless sliding door for space-efficient use.
Yeah, so that's not the bead actually, that's the ring that peaks that's on the rim. Like this little, you know, it's like that's the hard little.
A grooved cylindrical part is placed between two counter-rotating abrasive wheels for simultaneous dual surface polishing. The process effectively removes the dull oxide layer, revealing a clean, reflective metal finish underneath. The T-shirt immersion system operates rhythmically, ensuring uniform dye absorption and consistent color patterns. Precisely aligned hangers secure each shirt as they move vertically in a timed motion, optimizing the gradient dyeing process. Silicone color mixing is carried out using a 2-roll mill with stainless steel rollers to ensure uniform pigment distribution in the base material. Colors such as pink, yellow, and blue are applied in stages and rolled repeatedly until a consistent blend is achieved. The result is a homogeneous silicon block ready for further forming or molding. A heated wire cleanly trims the feather, with wisps of smoke revealing the precision of the cut. Laser-cut flexible sheets form a glowing, tactile 3D skull replica with phosphorescent coating. Woodworkers are installing leaf-shaped parquet tiles, forming an elegant, flowing floor design. The interlocking pattern mimics natural leaf veins for a seamless and artistic appearance. Lubricated balls are placed into the bearing raceways and secured with a retaining ring. Gentle tapping ensures alignment for smooth, precise performance in heavy-duty applications. The ECU is installed on an assembly line with precise connection to the fuse box to ensure reliable electronic system performance. Peeling the purple garlic reveals glossy white cloves, key to checking freshness and quality. An automated braiding machine interlaces multiple bobbins around a core to form a uniform, high-strength mesh for cables or hoses. A bookshelf cleverly transforms into a hidden door, blending function and design to add charm, mystery, and smart use of space. Numbered metal plates are welded, polished, and wiped to create a seamless, mirror-finished deer sculpture. A torch is used to melt lead rod into a heated seam, joining two metal edges. This method is typical for making waterproof lead flashing parts. The operator manually starts a vintage tractor by rotating the front-mounted flywheel handle. This traditional mechanical startup method relies on high manual torque to spin the crankshaft and initiate combustion, a straightforward yet effective design typical of pre-electric agricultural machinery. The video shows CNC turning and precise engraving of an indexing ring with angular scale marks used in rotary systems for accurate rotational positioning. The worker uses a large hole saw to drill through a circular steel plate, then fits and welds it onto an old car rim to fabricate an outdoor fire pit. Components are temporarily secured using specialized clamps before MIG welding ensures a stable structure. The design creatively repurposes scrap materials, ideal for outdoor DIY projects. Reciprocating blades trim seedlings evenly for uniform growth and easier transplanting. A commercial sheeter flattens dough into a thin, even pizza base using synchronized rollers. The process preserves elasticity and prepares the crust for baking or further steps. A wire frame is shaped by hand to form flower petals. Colored resin is poured in to create a thin, translucent surface. After curing, it becomes a decorative handmade ornament. Agate bangles are polished in a rotary tumbler with abrasives and water to smooth surfaces and edges. After rinsing, their natural bands and colors are revealed with a glossy finish. Working exclusively in black, the artist sprays freehand ornamental motifs that rely on varied line thickness and negative space to create depth and movement. The monochrome palette intensifies the fusion of street art spontaneity with decorative symmetry, producing striking graphic visuals that draw the eye. Aluminum composite panels are installed using a concealed clip-in rail system, where wall-mounted brackets guide and secure each sheet precisely. An integrated LED strip is recessed along the upper edge, providing indirect lighting that highlights the seamless panel finish and adds visual depth to the interior. rotating machine forms gold-plated loops for fast, uniform jewelry production. CNC laser cutting creates a sharp, symmetrical circular pattern on the metal sheet. A craftsman hammers the surface to check flatness and correct minor imperfections for precision. Contrasting sauces are cross-patterned and spun into a clean spiral, creating a visually striking presentation. LED strips embedded in the wooden wall are controlled via a smart panel, lighting up in a smooth, timed sequence. The gradual glow and fade create a sleek, tech-driven ambiance. Honeycomb craft paper is folded around the chocolate egg to create a cushioned, structured shell. The wrap combines protection with decorative cocoa-themed design.